What's up mga kazone? How you guys doing? Today we are going to review Marvel Select the SpiderMan PS4 Advanced Suit, a Gameverse figure. If you've been playing the SpiderMan from PS4, you know how he got this Advanced Suit right here. This figure is really good. It has lots of sculpted details. Later on I'm gonna show you in the review. But I bought this loose, that's why I don't have a complete accessory. I'm missing the cell phone. Anyways, this guy is 7 inches tall and it is made of PVC. So let's go and review this guy. So mga kazone, this is the SpiderMan Advanced Suit by Gameverse figure. So as I told you earlier, I bought this on a private seller. That's why I don't have all the accessories. I'm missing the cell phone. So by the way, it came with the set of hands, web, and the spider drone. So starting with the accessories, I like the web here, as you can see. So this one is used when he shoots his enemies. So I'll give you like an example here. There you go. So it fits snugly into this another Spider-Man figure, which is really good. It also has these pegs here like a lock, just in case it won't fall down. So it's really nice accessories that they added it. And I have this spider drone. I like the red metallic color as well. And the set of hands, there are 3 set of hands plus the one that it's on right now. So we go now with the details of the figure. You can see here we have here the telephoto lenses. It's pretty visible. The white spider over the figure, it is sculpted over the figure. It's really nice. You can see I like the bright blue color of it. See these accents here, the white color. Really nice figure. It's awesome. So we go with the articulation. So with the head, it doesn't go much when you go up and down. So if you wanna pose this guy here like crawling, it's not advisable because it can't see, like you can move it up the head, but it goes like side to side. You can turn it all around. And the shoulder, good. Bicep swivels, yep. Joint here in the elbow, really nice. And diaphragm, this is how far you can go. And when we bend it forward, that's how far it can go. You can turn it all the way. And the waist swivels as well. You have the upper thigh cut, really nice. And the knee goes all the way. And so with the feet. By the way, I like the details on the feet, just as in the PS4 SpiderMan. Really good detail there. And yeah, that is the figure. I only don't like the articulation on the arms. It only goes this far, not like the Marvel Legends. It has more articulations. This figure here is, like I said, is 7 inches high. It looks really nice. So there you have it, SpiderMan Advanced Suit by Marvel Select. There you have it, guys, a review on the SpiderMan Advanced Suit. I hope that you enjoyed watching, and if you want to leave a comment, just comment down below. If you're really thinking of buying this, figure right here. It's up to you. You're not gonna regret it. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to click like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share the video and click the notification bell for more videos for you guys to see. Okay? Bye!